All right, process and service monitors is next. So we are here. So here I'm in my policy module. Let's look at our menu selector we learned about top right. And we'll go process and service monitors. Let's talk about process monitors first. I think an interesting use case that maybe not might be the most obvious is you can build a kind of unapproved or blocked app list of different applications you do not want running. So I think this is a pretty universal example. Screen share apps that aren't necessarily approved for your environment, customer, or users. You create a list of them here. Syncro is going to be monitoring every minute if you wanted. And the second it sees any process with the word Screen Connect, TeamViewer, Bumgar, or AnyDesk, it's going to fire an alert and it will stop the process for you if you want. This is optional, right? And then you can pipe this directly into an automated remediation to have a particular ticket created to review what happened and or notify manager or user of what happened here. Maybe other RMMs would be another good one you could throw in here, a list of different RMMs you don't want running. Some pretty interesting ways you can think about this. More traditionally, I guess people would say they would want to make sure a particular process is running. So if it's not running, let me know. So here's just a real quick, easy example of process. So any process with the word notepad would count. So notepad plus plus would also count. All right, just keep that in mind. And don't be intimidated by the environment variable that it will show here by default. You can just clear that out and whatever. I don't even think you need the 32-bit path. I could be wrong on that. But just whatever the path directly to that exe that you want to fire, you can just copy paste it right in there and you are good to go. And then you can create the save and generate automated remediation. It will take you right into the automated remediation module. And you can configure however you would want that to work. But you wouldn't need an automated remediation to get it to like run a script to restart the process. You can just click this box and Syncro will do that for you. All right, service. So services are very similar. Where's one? Domain controller. Yep, same idea here. You can make sure monitor. These are, this is the use case I want to talk about. So this example of a process monitor, but they also fire if the service isn't there. So let's say there was a particular software that you wanted to make sure was installed. Is this app installed? Because it does write to a service. I think AV is real popular here. AV service, right? So not only is Syncro going to fire if it's stopped, it's also going to fire if it's not there, right? So then you can have this pipe directly into an automated remediation to run an install script if that particular software is missing. So that's another interesting potential use case that you could use it for as well.